Wow, is it totally me for body? Odim nobi. Otom. Ezibom. Amazing romantic name for men in Igbo. You care to know? I got your back here. Let's go. Hi, my wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. I remain your lady, Estina. Guys, it's a totally me for body. How we are doing? Hopefully, we are doing well, guys. Wow. Today's class is just going to be so romantic. Okay, guys, I got you here. Oh, we are going to be talking about many romantic name, Igbo romantic name for men. After that, on the next one, we are really going to deal with the women own. But today's on, I got your back with Igbo romantic name, guys. Wow, you know how you dish it out for your man, and ihe niile a na-emezu n'ebe o kwesịrị ime. Ịghọtago? So my people, welcome back to today's episode. I will be mentioning the romantic names for men in Igbo, and if you know more, we would really love to share. Drop it on the comment section so we all share and learn more romantic names for our men, so that we'll be getting them. Okay, guys, let's go. No time. Odim nobi. Odim nobi, which simply means the one in my heart. The one in my heart. Odim nobi. As in the one I think more of. The one I carry everywhere. The one I cannot do. Hey, Odim nobi. Yeah. Obim. Next is Obim. Obim also means my heart. Oh, my habit. Obim. Hi. Guys. Next is Nkem. Nkem simply means my own. My own. Now let me get time. I know the share with everybody. It's unshareable. Okay, so you're not before this one. No, let me get time. Nkem. My own. My personal own. My one and only own. My own and my own. So that's it. Nkem. See how Nkem. So which one are you calling your spouse or your boyfriend or your partner? Let me know. And anyone you see I did not mention here and you know more, drop it in the comment section. Let's be more romantic, guys. Love is a beautiful thing. Let's go. Otom mo bokwano osom. Some people, it all depends on intonation, some language. Otom mo bo osom. Hi. That simply means my sweetest, the one that sweetens your heart. Otom, where you mean something is otom, it would simply mean sweet. As in, wow, my yori yori. I'm with you, my yori yori. So, osom or otom, they are my delight. Because it just simply means my delight. The one that delights you. Ikem. Yes, Ikem. Ikem is my strength. My strength. Yes, your spouse is your strength. He is there when you are weak. He's there to support you. So Ikem is my strength. Yeah. Oyo. Oyo. Do I even know this one in English? Guys, just take it. Oyo. Just referring to the sweetest one. How? What? Just someone special to you. Oyo. Ezibom. Ezibom bukwane. Ezibom okay. Simply say ezibom. Ezibom, that means my best. My best. Ezibo simply means something that it is good. Ezibom okay. A good man. Then you can simply shorten it as Ezigbo. My good man or Ezigbo Nwokem. Anyone of the above can go. Wow. Wow. Nwa ọ bụkwa na nwa bụ sọ mma. Nwa bụ sọ mma. Yeah. Your spouse is your nwa. Even after giving birth, he still remains the first child. Yes. Because you definitely do everything for him. So, nwa, nwa, nwa. Aye. Nwa simply means baby. Babe or babe, as you guys call it in English, babe or babe. But in Igbo you can say nwa, nwa. I said this one already. Nwoke ka ibe ya. Nwoke ọma. Nwoke ọma m. Nwoke ọma m. That means my good man also. Nwoke is the man. Then Oma is beautiful. That means Nwoke Oma. A beautiful man. Yeah. Yes, let's keep going. Nwoke ka ibe ya. Ha. Nwoke ka ibe ya. Okoro okarisia. Yes. After him, no other. After him, no other. Nke ka ibe, which means simply means is greater than. He's greater than. Yes, he's greater than other men to you. And that's it. Ezim. Ezim. Yes. You can call your husband, your spouse, Ezim. Ezim means he's the king of your family. He's the head of your family. So you can simply refer to him as Eze. Eze is the head. Or maybe to the rulers of the villages, they are referred to as Eze. So you can still refer to your husband as Ezim. Okay, Igwem. Also as Igwem. Igwem is rulers, but you can still refer to your husband as Igwem. 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 Yes, he's the head. He's the ruler of that family. So now there he starts. Omego. Omego. Yeah. Guys, you know where to pinch the button, to pay the button and omena cash, omena dollar, or na-eme na euro, or na-eme na pounds and dollars. Guys, ladies, you know how to at least twist it and you get everything you want. These romantic names, when you tell them, when you throw with that soft and romantic voice, guys, everything will be dropping. You want your man to drop it, then give her that sweet name, and you will see your man dropping it so cool. Omego. Omego na euro. Yes. Dike means Dike simply means that he's your Ike. Dike. Guys, Ago is a lion. So referring to your husband as your lion. Ago. It's really so romantic to say Ago. Ago is the lion, and we're referring to your husband as our miss. Odogu simply means bold, strong man, and you can refer to your hobby. So Odogum. Ifunanya. Ifunanya simply means my love. Ifunanya. Nna can be a father, but just to make it more romantic, you can simply say Nna. Nna can be daddy. Okay. Ijele nwoke. Ijele is being referred to in Igbo as the one masquerade that come out only on a special occasion or special occasion. And when it comes, as in, nnukwu nwa nwụbata, ntọntọ mmanwụ enye efe. Ịghọtago? So when Ijele comes in a celebration, in a special occasion, other little masquerade give chance. So you can refer to your husband as Ijele Nwokem. Ijele Nwokem. Great man, my special man, my unique. Oh, guys, so guys, yeah, one more. Ekweme. Ekweme, yeah. You can say this as is God. So your husband is the one, the God you are seeing here on earth. Then, but we are not referring to Ekweme here as God. We are just referring to him here as talk and do. He did talk am, he did do am. He did talk am, he just says it and he does it the way he says it. It's a good thing to qualify somebody as Ekweme. You talk and you do. Man of his word. That's somebody is a man of his word. That simply means he's Ekweme. Ekweme in Igbo simply means a man of his word. I just got it. A man of his word. He talk and he do. You know they do come today, come tomorrow. You know they talk another thing and another thing they do tomorrow. You just talk and do it right away. So guys, we're gonna end it here. No, I got that video. It's so romantic, I guess. So guys, do you know any more other romantic names in Igbo for men? Guys, I would really love to know. I want to add to the ones I know to be making it romantic. Thank you guys. Thanks for being part of this channel. Thanks for your support always. Thanks for being here. I so much appreciate your support. Guys, my returning subscribers, this is always there for you. I heart you guys, and let's keep the channel going. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, invite friends. Tell someone that will tell someone that will tell someone that something good is happening here. Bye-bye.